Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Emptying trash. To begin, open File Explorer. Now in the name bar, enter Recycle. Click on Recycle Bin. After, click on Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm this by clicking Yes. Chapter 2. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Optimizing hard drive. To start, in the search box, enter Optimize. Select Defragment and Optimize drives. Now you can select Drive C and then click on Optimize. After the analysis, the defragmentation process will begin, and you can wait to finish this. Chapter 3. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Deleting temps. To start, in the search box, enter %temp%. Click on File folder. Here, select all the content. Click Delete to delete all items. Chapter 4. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Uninstalling apps. To start, from Start, open Settings. Now in Apps, select Installed Apps. After this, click on the 3 points of the application. Choose Uninstall, and you must confirm this operation. In base of the app, you may use the Uninstall wizard. Chapter 5. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11 from disk cleanup. To start, enter disk in the search box. Select Disk Cleanup. Choose the C drive and click OK. After this, check the boxes for what you want to remove from PC. You're going to click OK and then confirm this clicking Delete Files. Chapter 6. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11 with Storage Sense. To start, press Start and open Settings. After, in the System UR, select Storage. In this window, confirm that the Storage Sense switch is active. Click on this option. Now check that the Automatic User Content Cleanup switch is enabled, so you can configure the options as best suits your needs. Latest, click Run Storage Sensor now. Wait for this process to finish and free space. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 7. How to delete all unnecessary files from computer Windows 11. Deleting folders. To start, right-click on Start and select Run. After Enter Temp, click on OK. Now select all the elements and click Delete. You may need to authorize this process. When finished, again right-click on Start and select Run. Here enter prefetch. Click on OK. Select all the elements and then click Delete. Defines the action to use in case you are wondering if it's necessary. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.